There's Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV. We're listening to Autopsy. What more can I say? Severed Survival, track number 4 of 14, Gasping for Air. Go throw up your horns, people. Let's go. Come on. You death metal fans are mad heads, mate. You're mental. Should be locked up in the madhouse. Some brutal music, come on. Some introduction, this. Here we are, come on. Ah, that's like some porn groove. Oh, where the Germans are. With their inflatables and all that, come on. This record been remastered at all? I've got, it was put out in 89 Peaceful Records Limited, but I have released on 2016 0122, which could just be when it was distributed to the streaming services, including YouTube. It's got a good sound to it. I find that all of these records I've been listening to on this channel, the majority of them have been remastered variations. What do you think? Especially on the bonus track there. Here we are. Hard. Great riff. That was Gasping for Air, as we just heard at the end there. We got Rhythm with Disease coming up next. Yeah, I know this is reaction. Like, you're just going to see me bopping my head and going for a mooch every once in a while. Honestly, as far as commentary is concerned, it's a very consistent record. I'm either going to like a riff or just sort of meh off. If I like a riff, I'll let you know. If not, I'll just enjoy the experience. You're here to enjoy the experience with me. The thing is with these metal acts, you know, if it's not entirely based upon songwriting, as in lyrical performance and engagement through that realm, it's just a nice, consistent, instrumental experience. And that's what I'm hearing with this record. Great consistency as of so far. When we get onto this one, Rhythm with Disease, we're going to break the gap. We're going to have a look at a little more info on the album via Wikipedia, see if there's anything interesting. So hold on tight.